Hi YouTube, this is a gun review for stuff. Everything you've seen there doesn't matter. Okay, so let's get started. Now this, I forget what gun, whatever it's called. I don't really know the guns, but I'll look at my package. I just got this yesterday, so I know what it's about already because I always read the directions. So I think that's the name of the gun measure. Here it is. It's good for most hours, sorta. So I'll get to shooting that in a minute. I'm gonna start shooting it. Let me put my iPad up. Just need to show you. Only comes with certain model BBs, so. It only comes this model BBs, if you could see, but these aren't the BBs that it comes with. I usually just throw them away. We'll get to shooting this, and I need to fix up a couple things out. It usually comes with a pistol also. Okay, I'm ready for shooting. It always comes with a case. It's for your belt. You strap it around here so your gun doesn't fall out. Here's the gun. It comes with. You have this. Of course, it's harder to reload, but it's simple. Here's how you shoot it. Oh, I have it safety. That's why. Makes Here's like pop. Something. Comes with this. Usually have it. Always comes with those. For me, I have this. A spring reloader. Now we're going to shoot both guns. So I have this gun right here. So I'm not sure if you already could hear me, but we're going to start this gun. Put off safety. And we're going to shoot back there. Okay? So let's start. I'm not sure if you could see those two burn barrels, but there's two of them. I'm going to aim. Okay, here it goes. And you have to keep on doing this every time. I gotta just try again. I'm gonna make it go across so you can still see the bullet. I'm not really sure if you can see it. It just made like a real flash tripod because it was so close. Okay, now the next gun. First, I need to get my speeder loader. Takes a while to reload just by one. Let's put that down. I usually do it like this. I don't put it in the side thing. Then I get this, and you push this down. Then you do that. So it's full. Then let's get shooting. Okay, fire. Super hard to crank. Everything's ready. Let's get firing again. Usually it pops up on you. I was like, phew. Pops up this much already. Blah blah. So I think right gun is for aim like this. Here's how I crank it. I usually pull the top. Yeah, it's hard to crank. But out in the cold, it's easier for me to use a TV rag. Like, that was a shed. Now look how easier it is for me. Ready? I just had it. It's supposed to be easier. Okay. Now we're going to start shooting for you. And you'll see how it's like. I didn't need to use my goggles for the fake, not that, it's not fake shooting, but shooting. Here it goes. Oh, I'm going to shoot this way so you can see me fire. I'm going to pull the trigger. And that. It's actually that fun. Wait till you get a sniper. I'm being right here. It's easier to shoot birds. I usually do this. Put it right here. Then, there's a couple birds out there. I'm gonna shoot now. Oh. Oops. I fell. Well, that's sort of bad. There's one more bird on the other side of the tree. Oh, I hope I miss it right next to the berry. I did not kill my birds. Okay, shut down the birds by accident. There's another one. It's going around. Okay, I hope I don't shoot this one. Oh my god. I'm shooting all the birds right now, so bird over there you can hear. Not sure if you can hear it. So yeah, this gun is actually pretty good. I know this is sort of on video. The only part that I hate is the one pistol. It's hard to clean. That's all that's bad about this set. And I like it. Good for starters. Good for Airsoft gun wars. Like you get scope in about $34. Oh, this one, right? The only thing that I rather don't get for this set is this, but it's alright. At least you get extra gun if you have a friend over and you let them use this, and you at least have a gun if it's your first gun. So yeah. Okay. At Walmart they say new or whatever. If you get this set, don't get the new one that says new, because this won't fit in. I tried it, I got it, I'm missing it. Well, sort through my receipts away, so I gave my money back. If you crack it 2 times, there are bullets fly out, so don't do it that many times. Right there. Ooh, did not. Okay, I'm shooting random things. I want to aim at the house. Yep, I should. You heard no whatever. Okay, so I'm done to review. There's these you should get. You should sort of get them. Racquetball. Even if you don't want to spend that much money on whatever, just get a little racket. Just to get Dick's Sporting Goods, they'll have these at the racquetball section or tennis, so you don't get hit the ball while you're in the racquetball thing. Here's the BBs I'd rather get than any other kind. Glow in the dark. Pretend if you can't find your BBs and you're going to go out night shooting. Guess what? Right here. Glow in the dark. I put those in here, so I like those for it's been 9 minutes actually, so I'm gonna actually get to